the long-awaited Atari VCS from Atari finally has a pre-order date of May 30th, almost a year later. The Atari VCS, which uses a design aesthetic inspired by the Atari 2600 video computer system, will be offered in two different ways, a collector's edition limited in time with a wood front finish and a black Onyx edition. Atari's announcement also says that other packages will include the classic joystick and the modern controller, implying that all accessories must be purchased separately. This new console may seem retro, but there are many modern additions. Atari has partnered with AMD for the custom processor running Linux, so it is capable of playing both classic Atari games and PC midtier titles. The platform will support 4K resolution, as well as HDR content and 60 FPS. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, USB 3 and expandable storage options. In addition, the Atari VCS will come with Atari Vault, a collection of more than 100 classic games that include Asteroids, Centipede, Breakout and Gravitar. The company also says that users will have access to a variety of media and streaming content options, as well as a wide range of modern game options, but there is no further information on exactly what that means.